my god. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Turbo John YouTube channel. And today I'm going to have my first time ever riding in a drift car.
Are you excited or are you nervous?
I'm nervous. You know, I'm not a daredevil like this. I like do crafts.
Now you just wait until we get you in the race car. Later this year.
It's gonna be crazy.
Later this year, there's going to be a camera and a seat, and she's going to be in the car. And so we're going to just go around. We made a trip to Mexico real fast, and so we're going to go do. I don't know if we got enough room to do actual drifting, but we're at least going to go do some donuts.
Great.
You ready?
How do I let you talk me into this thing?
All right. All right, and we're in the Lexus.
Oh boy, here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh.
And I still have not had. Oh, I'm supposed to check tire pressure. That'll be all right.
Oh, okay.
You hear the rear end kind of?
Yeah.
That's because I welded the differential.
Okay, I
That's
know
how.
what that means.
That's how you make it spin.
Okay.
So the welded differential helps it so we can do donuts.
Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. That's a little louder than what it was last time.
It
where
is,
it cut the
yeah.
exhaust off.
A little bit.
Transmission still doesn't work properly. I still have to manually shift it. So this is a what year is this Lexus?
I don't know. It's old. It's old as.
It's a
I don't even see.
It's a 1992. We're going to be going the other way. It's a 1992 Lexus SC400, or it's a Supra chassis. It's got a V8 in it, automatic transmission, which is not the best, but this is just a beater that we're going to.
It was nice when it was new.
Probably was. It was probably very expensive.
Now
when it was new.
it's been well used.
Yeah, when the seats are all messed up. Expect a lot.
No, that's true.
Okay.
Oh boy. Are you gonna warn me, or are you just gonna surprise me?
I don't know. It'll probably be a little bit of a surprise.
Okay.
We got to get to a good spot first, though.
Okay.
You know, I don't know how much gas is in here either.
Oh. You're not making me feel any better.
Hopefully we don't.
Watch the mailbox.
It's pulling a little bit to the right.
Oh, it is, yeah. It's pulling a little bit when you're not paying attention.
This thing doesn't have much power though. The race car, you're gonna ride in a race car at some point.
I've never, and you know, I don't even ride roller coasters. Like, I'm not even a roller coaster person, so to be riding in anything is a little bit on the edge for me. At least it's a pretty day.
Yeah, it's gorgeous outside. I'm gonna set this other camera up real fast. We're not gonna be here but a minute, so it doesn't matter if they do.
Promise? Just a minute. He's out there looking around like the law's gonna jump out behind a bush and get us. There's nowhere to hang on to.
You holding on?
Nope. Oh my god. I swear to God, I feel like you're just gonna go into the pond. Go into the pond. That was a little longer than I expected. It was fun. That was fun.
Let's do it again.
I didn't expect it to be quite that crazy feeling, out of control feeling. Oh God, here we go. All right, I got this. was kind of fun, but I opened it. I tried to keep my eyes open. It was a little too scary for me. It just feels so out of control. I don't know how you can keep control on it.
It just spins. That was pretty much out of control.
Oh, that's good. Thanks for that now.
I mean, mostly like the donuts, it was spinning around so hard I couldn't really control it.
I mean, it felt like we were gonna slam into the trees, you know.
The one where we took it kind of fast, that's going to be like drifting.
Oh wow.
When we go to Piedmont Drift.
Okay.
That's exactly what it is.
To be able to go.
It's gonna be a blast.
It seems like a lot of fun.
Once it opens back up,
yeah,
it's gonna be fun. You like it?
I did. I mean, it's scary. It was scary. It's pretty much what I thought it would be, but it's a little terrifying too. At the same time. But I liked it. Thank you for taking me, honey.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming drifting. I accidentally threw it in reverse when we were moving and it killed the car.
Oh.
At one point. Oh, that was fun. Okay, we made it back.
Hey, thanks for riding with us. My first drift experience.
That was fun.
It was very fun.
All right, good job. No old crap handle to hold on to, but
I know. I just held on to the window and whatever this is.
it is what it is. I felt like we were both getting slunk around a little bit.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, it was fun.
It wasn't so bad with my eyes closed, but with my eyes open, it was pretty terrifying at points.
At what point did you have your eyes closed?
The first couple, I couldn't help it. And it just, they kind of, yeah. But then I like forced myself to see what was going on, and that's when it got more terrifying.
That's hilarious. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see y'all soon. We'll be back with some race car action soon. Thanks.
Bye.
So guys, did y'all hear that noise, that very loud pop? I did not even notice it when we were in the car. We were having so much fun. I was having a blast. I think Kelly was having a blast as well. But when I started editing this video, I heard the pop, and I could hear it definitively in both of these videos. And it's pretty loud, and the car kind of jumped a little bit, so I don't know what exactly was happening. I hadn't looked at it. What do y'all think is wrong with it? What do y'all think that pop could be? I'm going to start looking for it next time I go over to the shop, see if I see anything that is broken. But there really is no telling what is actually wrong. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not real familiar with this car. I guess it could be a CV joint already breaking, one of the axles in the rear, which I hope not. It could have been the drive shaft moving, or maybe just something in the suspension is loose. It may have a bad bushing. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what y'all think. I really hope it's something simple and nothing major. I really don't have a lot of time to keep this car in tip-top shape. I was hoping I was going to be able to drift with it for a little while without having to put a lot of work in it, but we'll see what happens. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks.